Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco. Today we want to provide you with everything you need to know about quinoa so that you can continue to care for and improve your health naturally. Properties of quinoa. Quinoa is a complete food due to its high nutritional value, which includes essential amino acids, fats, oils, starch, fiber and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, copper and zinc. It is also rich in vitamin E and other beneficial compounds such as betaine, saponins, carotenoids and others. Thanks to these bioactives, quinoa has several impressive properties such as being an antioxidant, antimicrobial, antidiabetic, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and insect repellent. Benefits of quinoa. As for its benefits, quinoa has low glycemic index and promotes greater insulin sensitivity, making it a great option for diabetic patients. It is also an excellent source of all essential amino acids, making it an ideal food for vegetarians. Additionally, its proteins are comparable in quality to milk casein, which makes it a suitable alternative for lactose-intolerant individuals. Furthermore, quinoa is gluten-free and can be consumed by individuals with celiac disease. Quinoa can also be a beneficial dietary choice for individuals with hypothyroidism, as it can assist in regulating and producing thyroid hormones. Quinoa also aids in the elimination of toxins and waste from the body, promotes satiety due to its high fiber content, and helps prevent arteriosclerosis. It can help prevent osteoporosis and other disorders caused by lack of estrogen. Additionally, it can help regulate blood cholesterol levels, improve blood circulation, and enhance the cardiovascular system. But before we proceed, let's test your knowledge. Do you know where quinoa originates from? Bolivia and Peru, Chile and Bolivia, Peru and Paraguay. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to take quinoa. Quinoa offers a unique advantage of being a versatile plant where all parts, including its leaves, stem, roots, and seeds are edible. Although the seeds are the most commonly consumed part, they are not technically legumes but are cooked and prepared similarly. To prepare quinoa, it's crucial to rinse the seeds thoroughly in a strainer to remove saponins before cooking. Then, add 2 parts water for each part of quinoa. Cover and cook over a medium heat for 15 minutes until the seeds become transparent and doubled in size. After cooking, remove from heat, drain, cover and let it rest for a few minutes before using. Once cooked, quinoa can be added to countless recipes, such as a side dish to accompany meats and vegetables or in soups. One easy and nutritious dish to make is quinoa, kitchen and vegetable salad. Simply combine cooked quinoa with your preferred vegetables such as carrots, onions or asparagus and cooked chicken. This dish can be served warm or cold, making it a versatile meal option. If you prefer your quinoa to have a firmer texture and avoid it becoming too soft or mushy, you can try toasting or frying it before boiling. Contraindications of quinoa. Quinoa is generally considered safe for consumption, and there are no known contraindications or side effects associated with its intake. However, it is important to note that quinoa seeds contain saponins that may cause gastric irritation if not properly removed. To avoid any discomfort, it's recommended to wash the seeds with plenty of cold water and remove any foam that may form before cooking. Regarding our earlier question, have you thought it through? The correct answer is A. Quinoa was first cultivated in Bolivia and Peru, which remain the primary quinoa producing countries today. So, let us know in the comments, are you considering incorporating quinoa into your diet? Thank you for watching and see you next time.